The Hindi language plays a significant role in weaving together the threads of Indian culture and civilization. Hindi Divas has been celebrated today, commemorating the event when it was adopted as one of the official languages of India on the 14th of September. Prime Minister Modi extended greetings on Hindi Divas, and so did other leaders.
Hindi Divas was celebrated on Monday to celebrate the language and to commemorate the event when it was adopted as one of the official languages of India on 14th September. To showcase the importance of the day and the language, Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14th September each year. Various programs are held across the country to mark the occasion. Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu greeted the people on the occasion of Hindi Divas.
सभी भारतीय भाषाएं हमारे लिए आदरणीय है। हमारा प्रयास होना चाहिए हम हिंदी के साथ ही साथ अधिक से अधिक भारतीय भाषाओं को सीखें, उनका प्रयोग करें।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted the nation on Hindi Divas as well. Prime Minister Modi, in a tweet, said that all the very best on the occasion of Hindi Divas. Congratulations to all those people who contributed in the development of Hindi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that everyone should take a pledge to work for promotion and progress of Hindi language.
हिंदी हमारे देश के स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के समय से राष्ट्रीय एकता और अस्मिता का प्रभावी व शक्तिशाली माध्यम रही है। हिंदी के सबसे बड़ी शक्ति इसकी वैज्ञानिकता, मौलिकता, सरलता, सुबोधता और स्वीकार्यता भी है। हिंदी भाषा की विशेषता है कि इसमें जो बोला जाता है वो ही लिखा जाता है।
Extending his greetings to the people on Hindi Divas, Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said that every language of the country is beautiful and great. Greetings to all on Hindi Divas. Sumit Jerad, Secretary, Department of Official Languages in the Home Ministry, said that Hindi language is being promoted around the world through motivation, encouragement and goodwill.
इसके और जो स्तंभ हैं वो है प्रेम अर्थात लव एंड अफेक्शन, पुरस्कार अर्थात रिवॉर्ड्स। हम लोग हर वर्ष राजभाषा कीर्ति पुरस्कार और राजभाषा गौरव पुरस्कार की घोषणा करते हैं। इस वर्ष भी हमने की है। उसके पश्चात प्रशिक्षण अर्थात ट्रेनिंग। हमारे पास 2 इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, केंद्रीय हिंदी प्रशिक्षण संस्थान और केंद्रीय अनुवाद ब्यूरो।
In Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan inaugurated the newly constructed building at Atal Bihari Vajpayee Hindi University in Bhopal. The Chief Minister said that Atal Bihari Vajpayee's speech at UN General Assembly in Hindi not only enhanced the reputation of Hindi at international platform, but it also increased respect for Indians at global level. To mark the occasion, Prasar Bharati Parivar celebrated Hindi Divas while following social distancing and all COVID-19 precautionary measures. The function was attended by Prasar Bharati CEO Shashi Shekhar Vempati, Rajiv Singh, Member Finance of Prasar Bharati Board, Doordarshan Director General Mayank Agarwal and other officials. Inaugurating the program, Prasar Bharati CEO Shashi Shekhar Vempati said that Akashvani and Doordarshan have played remarkable roles in promotion of Hindi literature.
हिंदी साहित्य को लेकर जितना काम आकाशवाणी और दूरदर्शन ने किया और अभी तो रामायण ने विश्व रिकॉर्ड स्थापित कर दिया, तो ये तो हिंदी के लिए इससे बड़ा और क्या हो सकता है। जो हम ई ऑफिस के तहत नए जो टूल्स बनाए हैं, इससे मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी लोगों में फाइलों में हिंदी का उपयोग काफ़ी सरल हो जाएगा।
Member Finance of Prasar Bharati Board Rajiv Singh said that Hindi language will benefit more with the availability of technological innovation in Hindi as well. Doordarshan Director General Mayank Agarwal said that we are proud of the Hindi language. Hindi is spoken in many countries and it is the 3rd most spoken language of the world. With inputs from Girish Nishana, Newsnight Desk, DD India.
In another